Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hissham and today I'm going to give my view on the BTC after the recent drops. Obviously, you must have heard from a lot of people on the YouTube or on other social media that we are back in the bearish market. Some of them they are saying we are still in the bull market. I will give my view on both of the bullish and the bearish sentiment, and I will show you how you can make money in that market as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And also, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Leave your comments in the comment section below at the end of the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try my best to answer all your questions. So let's get started. So when I start my day, I open the BTC dominance chart first and look at the dominance, what the dominance is doing. If seeing the BTC dominance going up, means the money is going in the BTC. If the dominance is dropping down, means money is going in the altcoins. Or if the dominance is choppy like that, means it's a bit of indecision in the market. Some of the money you will see, some of the coins you will see they are pumping, and some of the coins you will see they are dumping. So there's a choppy area. Especially when we are in this choppy area, I try to stay in 1 hour or 30-minute time frame, because I want to enter in my trade and quit my trade or exit my trade within 24 hours. I don't want to hold my trades more than one day, especially in this choppy area. So let's jump on to the BTC chart. So whenever I chart my BTC, especially after the end of the week, because we have seen this big drop on the weekend, I will chart the weekly chart first to see what the market is showing us on the macro time frame. So this is our weekly chart. If we look at the weekly BTC and dominance chart, and you are in the BTC for the long run, and you are aiming and you're confident that the BTC will go above like 100k or 200k whatsoever, then yes, we are still in the bullish market. So you don't need to be panic and sell your BTC holding. So we are in the bullish market, because if you look at the market structure, we have created higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So I will not be bearish on the BTC unless we break this. I will draw this support here. So unless we break this, just make it correct. Yes. So unless we break this weekly support here, I will not consider BTC as a bearish. So because I am the long-term holder in the BTC, I am accumulating BTC on the dips, and the other way I am accumulating BTC by trading BTC pairs. That's a separate topic. I will try to touch that a little bit at the end of the video, but for today I'll just mainly focus on the BTC overview. So yes, after drawing the weekly chart, which is bullish, and as you can see here as well, when the price drops here, it holds exactly around this demand zone here and bounce back quickly, means there are buyers still available in the market around that area. Also, another thing which not most of the people they are looking, that we have broken this trend previously, and price goes above around 69 something, yeah, around the 70k area comes back, but we come back and test that trend line again and bounce back. So this is another thing which is giving me the confirmation that the bull run is still on. But if we jump on the daily time frame, most of the people, I'll just zoom out the chart, most of the people they are looking this as a bearish market, because the daily trend line is broken. So this is our previous bull run. I will clear this. Yeah. So this is our previous bull run, and in the previous bull run, let's draw that. Yeah. So in the previous bull run, I sold most of my holdings around this area, because I'm seeing like it's created the lower high here, and the market will go down from here, and that's what exactly happened. And also like this is the Wyckoff theory as well, like it's creating the distribution zone above this area. So I have a few confirmation here, so that's why I sold most of my holdings here and buy back somewhere around this area. I don't remember exactly. So yes, so that was the previous confirmation. And also if we draw our support here, which is around 53, so the people who are saying that we are in the bearish market, they are looking at that two things: one, break in that support area; second, break in that trend. So if you are trading and you are like taking BTC as just a trade for the bull run, yes, we are in the bear market looking at this current market structure. But what make me concerned that the price drops here, we see this big here, and 2 3, so this is the daily chart. 2 3 candles here is giving us the wick at the bottom, which means there are buyers still available. But the currently I'm recording this video, I see here the price rejected from this trend line, and looks like we are creating the evening star here. So means if I wake up tomorrow and see like the daily candle close around here, I'm expecting the price come down, created the horseshoe here like that, and after that we may head up like that, not straightly, we create the structure here. Or the other scenario which we may see, price come down here, hold here, maybe create another dip here, come back to that 30k area. So these are the two possible scenarios which I am looking. So this is a really crucial point here when the price is heading down, or if we are seeing the price coming around this area, I want the price come above this resistance and this trend line, which gives me the confirmation that we are back in the bullish market. So these are the two things currently I'm looking on the BTC, but I will also quickly show you the 4-hour time frame as well. Sorry. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So we have broken this trend here, and we are creating this lower high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. But the other thing which I am seeing here, potentially is creating the bear flag, which is the bearish signal. So price is going in that channel. I'm expecting the price somewhere maybe here or come here and then drop back here. So this is the bearish sign I'm looking here, which is not a good sign for the bull market. So let's see how this will play. So that is just a quick overview on the BTC, what I am looking. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to answer all the questions. And the last thing which I promised, that I will touch base a little bit at the end of the video about the BTC pair, why I trade BTC pair. So at this moment, it's a perfect example when I'm making this video. The BTC dominance is dropping, and if we look at the BTC, I will zoom in this chart. So you see here the BTC rejected from this trend line, which I have created, the minor trend line. So BTC is going up, dominance is dropping, BTC is going up, and you are seeing this all pairs is going up. I entered in this trade around this area, and my first target profit will be here, and the second will be around this area. I will see what the price will do when we will hit our first target profit. So this is the reason why I traded the BTC pair, because I am earning the sats as well, plus I am earning the asset which is increasing its value as well. So when I look at the USDT chart for BNB, sorry, BNC. just keep typing again and again BTC chart. Yes, so this is the BNB USDT pair. You can clearly see that a dip here in the USDT chart, but in the BNB BTC pair, no one can say that the BTC dip, because you can't see the dip here in this BTC pair chart. Yes, there are some BTC pairs which dropped as well, but strong pairs like they are still holding their value, like the BTC, Sol, and Dot, and some other few projects which are really good projects, and they are still holding their value. So let's see how I go with this trade. And that's just a quick overview why I trade BTC pairs instead of the USDT, especially in the bull market. And if you guys have any questions regarding this BTC pair, or if you want me to make the video separately that why I trade BTC pair in depth and what's the correlation between the BTC pair, USDT, and the BTC chart, please leave that in the comment section below. I will try to look all the comments. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends, which gives me more confidence that you guys are liking my content, and I will make more and more content for you so you can learn more and more. Thanks for stay tuned with me till the end of the videos, and see you next time.